If auto rotation is not working on our iPhone 16, like when you hold it sideways, it doesn't change its orientation from portrait to landscape. Let's go ahead and see how to solve this issue. Okay, so first of all, I hope you know that some app doesn't support auto rotation. Now also, it will not enable on some app dashboard like Netflix or Apple TV unless you just go ahead play something on that app. If you're having this problem on Facebook, just make sure that some videos aspect ratio doesn't support auto rotation even if it's turned on. So if you're seeing the full screen option under some videos, just tap on it to see if auto rotation is working or not. And if it's not working anywhere, just go ahead and check if auto rotation is turned on. Swipe down Kernel Center, and if the option is showing red locked in portrait, just tap on it to unlock it. And if you can't even find this option, tap on this plus sign to add a control and simply search with orientation lock. When you find it, just tap on the option to add it to your Kernel Center. If it's still not working, now let's go ahead and open up settings. Scroll down for display and brightness. Scroll down till the end to display zoom. Now somehow if it's selected to larger text or zoom, auto rotate might not work. So make sure to select the default one, press done, and then select use standard. Now even if everything is okay, sometimes auto rotation doesn't work for just some minor glitch. So we're gonna just force restart our device. Quickly press and release the volume up and down button and keep holding down the side button till the screen goes black. After the restart, your auto rotation should be fixed. Now lastly, due to some customized settings, auto rotation might act up every now and then. So in that case, we're gonna just go ahead and reset all settings on our device. So for that, we're gonna open up settings one last time. From there to general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone to reset all settings. This will not delete any data, but reset some customized settings along with your Wi-Fi password. So make sure you have that. And then just tap on reset all settings a couple of times. Hopefully after that, your auto rotation problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.